YoCoach is an intuitive tutoring and consultation software designed to help you conduct hassle-free one-on-one and group learning sessions. In the latest version of YoCoach, many new features have been included, like Currency Converter API, auto text translation, courses, and forums. To utilize the features to the best, setting up the platform properly is the very first step. And system admin is the one who gets the platform going and sets up the foundation for its smooth running. Follow along for steps on admin setup. The setup process includes 3 key aspects. First, admin settings management to facilitate the system's front-end and back-end efficiency. Second, content management to formulate the content for important pages and portlets. Third, teacher preferences to enable teachers to easily register on the platform and start taking sessions. Let's have a look at these aspects, starting from settings. Log into the admin account using the account username and password. Click on Sign In and the dashboard page is opened. From the left navigation drawer, click on Manage Settings to expand the menu item. Then, click on General Settings. Set up the profile details from the General section by entering the essential information, such as site owner's email, telephone number, language and currency of display, and site country. Click on Save Changes and move to the Language Data tab. Enter the site name and business address for the platform footer and other mandatory details. Once done, click on Save Changes. Moving to the next set of settings, click on Media from the left-hand menu. Upload the media for logos and banners to be displayed in different sections on the front end. For example, the website logo is displayed throughout the system as the platform's official logo. And the Apply to Teach banner image is displayed as the banner on the teacher registration form page. Certificate logo is displayed on the course completion certificates issued to the learners, and so on. Next, move to the Third-Party APIs section to access the settings for various third-party APIs supported on the platform. Configure the Facebook login, Apple login, and Google Client JSON keys to enable the users to register on the platform using their social account. Visit the System section from the left navigation menu to access the common system settings. Among the other mandatory fields, the settings related to account, lesson pricing and courses are to be managed. From under the miscellaneous settings, select the manageability for lesson prices. Select admin manageable if the admin will be the one responsible for setting the lesson prices for each teaching language. Or select teacher manageable to extend the rights for setting the lesson prices to the teachers. Next, use this setting to manage courses on the platform. If recorded courses are to be offered on the platform, activate this setting. However, if only live sessions are offered, keep this setting deactivated. The pre-recorded courses functionality and related settings and modules are accessible only when this setting is enabled. Scroll down to the New Account settings. Define the settings related to each new sign-up on the platform. The next step would be to define the commission rate for lessons, group classes and courses. The admin's primary source of earnings is through commission on each session or course sold on the platform. So before any teachers join the platform, defining the commission rates is essential. Move to the left navigation drawer and from under Manage Settings, select Commission Settings to access the concerned settings. As shown here, global commission settings are pre-added in the system. Click on this Edit icon button and enter the commission fee percentage for each session, that is, lessons, group classes, and each sold course. For example, let's suppose the lesson commission is set to be 10%. So 10% of the total lesson fee charged by the teacher will be considered as the admin's earnings. If the teacher charges $100 for a lesson, $10 will be admin's earnings, and the remaining $90 will be considered as the teacher's fee. Save the commission rates once set. The feature to add various currencies is also available on the platforms built with YoCoach. Although the default currency is set with the development team, while system installation, other currencies can also be made operational on the platform from the currency management settings. To find these settings, select Currency Management from under Manage Settings. The system default currency is already listed on the page now displayed, and it cannot be made inactive or deleted from the system. To add more currencies, click on the Add New button from the top right corner. Provide the general details for the new currency, such as currency code and symbol, positive and negative formats, conversion value, display status, etc., as well as the currency name for primary and secondary languages on this form. Save the details. The newly added currency is listed among other currencies. To start receiving payments on the platform, one or more methods of payment have to be configured. From under Manage Settings on the left of the screen, click on Payment Methods to access the various third-party payment APIs supported on the platform. The platforms built with YoCoach are equipped with a digital wallet that can be used to make payments and can be recharged when required. Other than this, many payment methods are available for pay-ins, such as Paystack, PayPal, Stripe, etc. And for payouts, bank transfer and PayPal payout are available. Hover over this meatballs menu icon and click on Settings. Enter the configuration keys here to get the payment API running. Manage the status of any payment API using this toggle switch. However, the system's wallet cannot be deactivated. The next step for platform setup is configuring the meeting tools to be used for hosting sessions on the platform. Move to the left navigation menu and click on Meeting Tools from under Manage Settings. The page now displayed lists the third-party meeting tools supported by the platform, namely Zoom Meetings, Atom Chat, and Lesson Space. To use any of these tools, these have to be configured on the platform. Similar to the Payment Methods API's configuration process, click on Edit and provide the configuration keys for each tool in their respective setup forms. At a time, only one of these meeting tools can be used for conducting sessions. So the rest of the tools are automatically deactivated. Once the needed APIs are successfully configured, move on to the next step, which is to set up the front-end pages and content blocks. Navigate to the left-hand side menu and expand Manage CMS. Click on Language Labels. From the page now displayed, set up the labels and help text for the whole platform according to your business niche. Each label is linked with a unique system key. The next module is Content Pages. Find it on the left navigation drawer under Manage CMS. This page enables adding new content pages such as About Us page, Policies page, etc. To add a new page, click on Add New from the top right corner. In this form, enter a unique identifier for the page being added and select its layout. Click on Save Changes and move to the next tab. According to the selected layout, add the page's content in the available blocks. Once all the details have been added, click on Save Changes to successfully create the page. The newly created pages are listed on the Manage Content Pages page and can be linked on front-end navigation blocks. Each content page can later be edited or even deleted from the system. Let's have a look at the next section, Content Blocks. From under Manage CMS given on the left navigation drawer, click on Content Blocks to open the respective page. This page displays separate tabs for each front-end section, containing content blocks. The admin can manage the content blocks for such sections from their respective tabs. View the management settings and other functionalities from this homepage tab displayed on the screen. Hover over this icon and click on Edit. Use the Languages tabs to edit the content. On adding the desired content, click on Save Changes and move back to the Manage Content Blocks page. The media and content added in the blocks are displayed as it is on the front end. Drag and drop any listing to rearrange the sequence of content blocks, and the changes made are reflected accordingly on the home page. Use this toggle switch to manage the status of each block. Only the active blocks are displayed on the platform front end. The content blocks for other pages, like Apply to Teach, Contact Us, and Availability, can also be managed following a similar process. Heading over to the front-end pages to view where these blocks are displayed. For instance, the platform homepage displays a number of content blocks, like popular courses and lesson languages, browse teachers, testimonials, latest blogs, etc. Similarly, on the Apply to Teach page, blocks like benefits, static banner, features section, etc. are displayed. After setting up the content blocks, the next step is to manage the front-end navigations. From the left navigation drawer, click on Navigation from under Manage CMS. The Manage Navigation page lists the 3 system-added navigation blocks which are displayed on the header or footer sections of the front end. Although new navigation blocks cannot be added on the system, a number of pages can be added on each of the navigations. Hover over this meatballs menu icon and click on Pages. This redirects the user to the navigation pages listing page. To add new pages to the navigation, click on this Add New button. Provide the required details of the CMS or external page to be linked on the navigation. The linked pages can later be edited, rearranged, and deleted. Each of the pages is displayed accordingly on the front-end navigation. For example, the pages added to the header navigation are displayed on the front-end header. The homepage slides can also be managed by the admin. To find the related settings, move back to the admin panel. From the left navigation drawer, click on Homepage Slides. A number of media slides can be added from this page and can be managed accordingly. However, only the first 4 slides are displayed on the front end. Use this button to add a new slide. Add the slide redirect URL and upload the slide media from the slide setup form. Once a slide has been saved, it can be viewed on the platform homepage. These were the essential front-end content settings. Other CMS modules are also available to manage the content better, such as testimonials, FAQs, email templates, and so on. To enable the teachers to easily register and set up their accounts on the platform, the admin specifies certain teaching parameters in the form of teacher preferences. In the case of language learning platforms built with YoCoach, these parameters can be speaking and teaching languages, learner ages, accents, etc. From the left navigation drawer, expand the teacher preferences. Let's have a look at the admin manageable modules. In every teacher preference module, new preference items can be added. The added preferences can be edited later, rearranged for front-end display, or altogether deleted from the system. Certain additional settings are available in the Teaching Languages section. Move to the Teaching Languages page. Hover over the meatballs menu icon and click on Edit. The hourly prices for each of the teaching languages can be edited, depending upon the price manageability previously selected from the system settings. When the hourly prices for lessons are managed by the teachers, the admin specifies a price range, and the teachers can set a price within that range. On the other hand, if admin is the one who's managing the lesson prices, a specific hourly price is set from this form, and the set price is applicable throughout the platform for that language. Before starting to receive teacher registrations, it is important to manage certain system settings as well. From the left navigation drawer, expand Manage Settings and click on General Settings. Next, click on Lessons from the left-hand menu to move to the Related section. Select the slots allowed on the platform for conducting one-on-one lessons. Also decide the other mandates for lesson rescheduling, cancellation, refunds, etc. Once done, click on Save Changes. Manage similar settings for classes as well by visiting the respective settings section. All the steps mentioned so far are essential in ensuring that the platform is fully operational and works smoothly. YoCoach is an easy-to-use software that enables launching, running, and managing video conferencing-based e-learning platforms. From live sessions to pre-recorded courses, it comes with an impressive range of features. Start your online tutoring and consultation marketplace with YoCoach today.